end of the first week with Evolve Chile. It's my first year coaching here, and I'm super stoked to be in Chile once again. Food was epic this week. We've been at a 5-star buffet every single night. We did food challenges.
She asked me, look, could this all be so simple? Simplicity is in your mind, yeah. I don't understand, she just walks right out my door. Keep my love from inside, you know, because I never ever want to slow down. I've got no heart and she's got no hope. Now.
If you're not used to doing tricks like park, I'm definitely not used to doing that. All the coaches were super encouraging. They taught me how to do a ton of stuff, even if I was completely nervous.
I've made so many friends here, and it's just been such a great time. And I can't wait to come back.
Wednesday morning, wake up, completely gray bird, it's pouring snow. Just have to take a nap, wake up in the afternoon, it's bluebird, what the hell.
But then I put my feet right back down on earth, and this world spins one more time.
Another thing I loved about camp was the accommodations. The rooms were big and spacious, the beds were super comfy, and having the balcony with the Andes behind you and waking up to that every morning was just awesome.
Out of my sight and I'll be out of town now. You know, because I never ever want to slow down.
Today we just had an epic powder day, full of face shots. We had a bluebird day, a lot of smiles, and we can't ask for much more. Now we're gonna just finish the day off in the pool and keep stoked, man. We're so happy on today. Evolve Chile!